Welcome to the Pye Motors Transit Centre here in Morecambe. Telephone number is 01524 598 598, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Just going to give you a quick video walk around of this Ford Transit Custom Limited, presented in frozen white, and this is the new shape model. As you can see, it's got the new Ford Transit grille outlined with a chrome surround, and the new headlights, which are surrounded by an LED daytime running strip all the way around. We also have front fog lights and front parking sensors on this vehicle. The 16-inch alloy wheels look absolutely great, and the large tyres make for comfortable driving on and off road. As you can see, there's ample load space in the vehicle, and we also benefit in this particular one from the optional LED load space lighting, which is situated at 4 points around the rear of the vehicle, allowing you to illuminate the load space in even the darkest of conditions. Reverse parking sensors make this van a doddle to drive. We've got a height adjustable driver's seat, as well as the incline adjustment, and 2 passenger seats. Automatic dusk sensing lights and electronically adjustable and folding wing mirrors. The large touchscreen media station allows AM, FM, DAB and Bluetooth audio, as well as phone and app settings. The vehicle also benefits from air conditioning, really useful in these hot British summers. For more information on this or any other vehicle we have in stock here at Pye Transit Centre in Morecambe, please give us a call on 01524 598 598. Thank you.